Hi students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the class. Please, 5th class, take your English textbook. We are going to learn Unit 4, Crying. Okay, take your English textbook. Okay, we've completed already first unit, second unit and third unit. Hope that someone is not completed. I know that almost 25 students submitted the copy. I already checked it. Then other students, please complete your copies. Now we are all the unit 4. We completed already unit first, second, 3. Then unit 4 is a poem. This poem is saying about crying. Okay, this poem is written by, you can see that, Galway Kinnell. Galway Kinnell. Okay, in this poem, we are going to learn some emotions. You know what is the meaning of emotions? Okay, emotions means that what we show. What we show when we are happy, we laugh. When we are very happy, we laugh. That is one emotion. Then when we will feel pain or somebody said to us some bad words, or we feel that what they said, we feel that then someone will cry. Someone will cry, someone will not cry, but they feel that something inside. Then when we will cry, that means that we are very sad. When we feel sadness, someone will cry, but someone, when we will feel sad also, not cry, but we can see on the face. Okay, this is we can call emotions. Means when we were happy, we show our emotions through laughing, and when we will feel sadness, we feel our pain through crying. Okay, then in this poem we can see that a boy, you see the picture, a boy is here crying. Then you can see that this is a pillow, no? He is in the bed, and this is a pillow. Okay, this pillow, then he was crying. You see the picture, he was crying. Okay, after this you can see the another picture. He is in the water. Means he, and his face is changed. Okay, you see that the boy is he is laughing. Means he is his teeth we can see outside. Means he is very happy. Okay, then here in this poem we will see cry and happiness. Means sadness and happiness, both. Okay, these are emotions. I said already, when we will feel happy, we are we laugh. Then when we will feel sadness, we cry. This is two emotions in this poem we are going to learn. Okay, what we will see, what are the things the poet is saying. Crying only a little bit. Crying only a little bit is no use. Okay, the first line is saying that crying only a little bit is no use. Little bit means very little. Means just 2 drop of tears is no use. Means it is not a use. It is not good. When you cry only 2 tears, it is not a use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Okay, you see this word soaked, SOAKED. Soaked means completely wet. Completely wet means full wet. When after washing our dress, we feel that dress is full of water. Means it's wet. Like this, when you will cry, the pillow should wet. Means full water. Then you can jump in the shower. Okay, after crying, where you can go, you can jump in the shower. Shower means in the washroom, toilet. When we will take bath, that when the water will come into our body, we will jump. First, if it is especially in winter season, that cold water, when it will come into touch our body, we jump like that. After crying, you can go and jump in the shower, jump under the shower, and splash, splash, splash. You see this word splash, splash, splash. Splash means when the water is around us, when the water is around us, there will be sound, water sound, or water is around. That we can call in English splash, splash, splash. Water is around us. Okay, then once more we will read these lines. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Soaked means completely wet. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Okay, these are the 4 lines. The downside. Then you can throw open your window. Okay. After the from the jumping in the shower, what you can do? You can open your window. And ha 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 means when you open the window, you have to ha means you have to open the mouth and laugh it, means you show your happiness. After crying, you show your happiness. When you have to say ha, for that word we should open our mouth, then only that ha will come. Yes or no? Like this, you should open the mouth and say ha ha ha. And if somebody will see that you are doing like this, they will say, hey, what is going on up there? If somebody will ask you, hey, what is going on there? Then what you can say? Ha ha. Again, ha ha. Then sing back. You can sing it. Then happiness was hiding in the last tear, means the happiness is hiding means kept out of sight, means is back of me. When I will show when I show my happiness in front of me, if I am sad, I show only the happiness, means that happiness or cry or sadness is I am keeping out of my sight, is hiding. Then in the last tear, means when I cried, but I am happy. I wept it, ha ha, means I cried. Ha ha, means I am happy. I cried it, but I am happy. Okay, once more I will read. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it. Ha ha. Okay, the poem is written by Galway Kinnell. Okay, this poem, please everybody read this poem. It's a simple poem only. 8 lines are very few. Then you can study also by heart this poem. Then the new words, some new words are here. 3 words are here. This one you can write into the fair copy. The another 2-3 word I will give you. But this 3 word also you can write into the fair copy. The question answer also I will give. But now we can go to the textbook work. Okay. Number 4. Another question answer. This one I will give in the WhatsApp. You can write this one. I will now say, but you should write into the copy. Okay. Are these sentences right or wrong? Okay. First one. The poet says, you must not cry much. Poet says that you must not cry much. Yes, so, right or wrong? Is wrong. Okay. First one is wrong. Okay, the second one. The poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. Soaked we have already studied. Soaked means completely wet. This is right or wrong? Is right. Okay, third one. The poet says that after crying, you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. Right or wrong? That is right. The poet says that you should open the window and show the people that you are crying. Right or wrong? This is wrong. Okay. This is the 4 right or wrong. This one also after the question answer you should copy. After the question answer only you can write this one. Okay. The next page, page number 61, there is word building. The word happiness end in ness and comes from the word happy. Okay, we saw that happiness, that there are two words joined together, happy and ness. Happy and ness. Then when we will put it together, the last word y we will cut. Happy, y we will cut and we will add I. Happiness. Then we will add ne double s. Okay, you see this. Write three words that end in the same way. Which words do they come from? Okay, then we can say that happy is the base word, the origin word, but we add ness to the happy, then the meaning is happiness. Same, the mood of happiness. Happy, mood of happy is happiness. Okay, now we will see this ness. We can add forgiveness. Forgiveness, the word, then the root word is forgive. Okay. Then another word we can write peacefulness. Peacefulness is a state of peace, mood of peace. Okay, then the origin word or base word is peace. Okay, goodness. The origin of the word is good. Okay, this one also, this one you can write into the textbook only. Okay. Now, the homework you have to do before starting the writing the word meaning and question answer, there are number 3 question. Which are the things that make you happy? And what ways do you show your happiness? This one you have to write at least 4 sentences. What are the things that make you happy? Okay, what are the things that make you happy? Sometimes when your father will bring some gifts for you, okay, you are happy. Then sometimes your mother will cook a very tasty food for you, you are happy. Okay, someone will give you some prizes, you are very happy. Okay, then this is only for example I am saying. Here you have to write which are the things that you make you happy. At least 2 things you can write. And in what ways do you show that happiness? Okay, after giving the gift from the father, you will hug your father. That is the way of you show the way to happiness to your father. Then you hug your mother. Same. You have to write that also in 2 sentences. Okay, first one you write what are the things that make you happy. Then second one, in what ways do you show your happiness? This is your homework that you have to write in your fair copy. Okay, next page, page number 62. There is a let's write. Okay, let's write. Fill in the blanks with the exact feeling word. We have to add feeling word. Feeling means I already said no, emotions, feeling word. Okay, some feeling word. The tourist were dash to see the beautiful Taj Mahal. Tourist came to dash see the beautiful Taj Mahal. We have to add amazed, shocked or worried. When we will see the Taj Mahal, what we will show? Amazed. Then the feeling of see the Taj Mahal, we were amazed. Then you can add the feeling word is amazed. Okay, the second one. The lights went out suddenly. I was alone. Okay, the light off. Then I was alone. And what happened? Worried or shocked or frightened. Frightened means fear. Okay, the feeling word is fear. Okay, you can write the second one is frightened. Frightened means fear. Third one, he has been ill. Ill means fever. Okay, sick. He was sick for a long time, more time or many days. And his parents were, when you were sick, parents were unhappy or worried or angry. Which feel? The parents feel worried. They feel worried. Okay, the next one. The shopkeeper was dash when he saw his safe wide open with all his money missing. Okay, the shopkeeper came in the shop and he saw that his safe is open and all his money missing. Unhappy, shocked, or angry? This is shock, become shock. Means what happened? Shocked. Okay. Okay, this much is the this chapter. Then there is some creative writing also downside. Narrate an incident you have experienced. Happiness, excitement, surprise. You can use the following clause. Happiness you understood. Excite means also is a mood of happiness, a state of being excited. When I saw that I am excited or I am surprised. Okay, you can write an incident. Okay, there is clues that with whom. You can say that I went with my father in the market, then I saw that accident. That is an excitement. Then when did it happen? When it happened? I said no. When I went to the market, you can write. Then why? Then where? Okay, you can write with these clues. You can write this one. No problem. We will write after when the school will reopen. We can write this creative writing. But these other things, this fill in the blanks, you should write in your fair copy. Okay, students. Then this word building, no need, you can write into the textbook only. This right or wrong, you should write in the fair copy. The question answer and some other word meaning I will put in the WhatsApp, you can copy. Then this new words also you write into the fair copy. Then I said already the homework of this chapter is this third question. Which are the things that make you happy? In what ways do you show your happiness? Okay, this is the homework. You have to write at least which are the things that make you happy? 2 sentences. Then in what ways do you show your happiness? That is also in 2 sentences. Then complete 4 sentences I want to see. Then after writing the name of the chapter, you can write this answer. Okay. Then only you write the word meaning and other question answer. Okay. Everybody got it? Please read the poem and study poem by heart. Everyone study. Please read the poem and complete your homework. Okay, students? Thank you so much.